Looking for the best gaming CPU under 200 bucks? We've ranked the top contenders to help you get the most performance for your money, without the guesswork. Coming in at number 5 on our list is the Ryzen 7 5700G. This is AMD's all-in-one champ for gamers on a tight budget, especially those skipping the graphics card. It's efficient, affordable, and gets you gaming right out of the box. With 8 cores and 16 threads, it handles multitasking like a pro, and the built-in Radeon graphics are surprisingly capable for light 1080p gaming or everyday use. Plus, it sips power with just a 65-watt TDP and even throws in a cooler, which is rare at this price. But here's the catch, it's using older PCIe 3 and DDR4 tech. And that integrated GPU, while convenient, won't cut it for demanding games. You'll also miss out on some of the future-proofing you get with newer platforms. This chip is best for first-time builders, casual gamers, or anyone who wants a plug-and-play setup without breaking the bank. And by the way, all the products featured in today's video are linked in the description below at the best prices available. Next up at number 4 is the Ryzen 7 5800X. It's built for serious multitasking with the same core and thread count as the 5700G, but way more raw processing power, especially for modern games and creative workloads. Thanks to the Zen 3 architecture and large 32MB cache, this chip crushes multi-threaded tasks and games alike, assuming you've got a solid GPU to pair it with. It also supports PCIe 4, which is a nice step up from the older 5700G. Now here's the downside. There's no integrated graphics and no cooler in the box. It also draws more power, so you're gonna want decent cooling. It's a better chip, but it comes with more build requirements. If you've already got an AM4 board and a graphics card lying around, this is a solid upgrade. It's also perfect for budget-conscious streamers or multitaskers. And if you're enjoying this breakdown, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more honest, no-fluff product reviews. At number 3, we've got the Intel i7 12700K. This one packs some serious heat with its hybrid architecture, blending high power and efficient cores into a powerhouse that rivals much more expensive CPUs in both gaming and productivity. What makes it stand out? First, the performance. It's got more threads than anything else on this list, and it supports DDR5 and PCIe 5, giving you the latest tech and a clear upgrade path. Plus, it has integrated graphics, which is a nice backup. But it's not perfect. It rarely dips under $200 unless you're looking at used listings. It also runs hot under load, and since there's no cooler included, you'll need to invest in one. So while it's amazing, the total build cost can creep up quickly. If you spot the CPU on sale or you're building a future-ready rig, it's a fantastic choice. Just make sure your budget can stretch a bit for the rest of the parts. In second place, we have the Ryzen 5 7600X, the sweet spot for gamers wanting bleeding-edge performance without breaking the bank. It's got fewer cores than the i7, but don't let that fool you, this chip is a beast. Thanks to its insane boost clock and next-gen DDR5 and PCIe 5 support, it tears through games like a champ. And yes, it does have basic integrated graphics, just enough to get your system up and running without a GPU in emergencies. On the flip side, it needs a newer AM5 motherboard and DDR5 memory, which can add to your total cost. And again, no cooler is included, so you'll need to factor that in. If you want top-tier gaming performance and you're starting from scratch with a modern platform, this CPU delivers big time. It's snappy, efficient, and future-proof where it counts. Finally taking the crown as the best budget gaming CPU under $200, it's the Intel i5. This chip absolutely nails the performance-to-price ratio and has become a go-to recommendation for budget gaming rigs. With its hybrid core layout, great turbo boost, and support for DDR5 and PCIe 5, it matches or beats more expensive CPUs in real-world gaming. And you can often find it on sale for under 130 bucks. Now that's value. Of course, it does cut corners. There's no integrated graphics, and you'll need a decent cooler since it draws up to 150 watts when pushed. But these are easy trade-offs considering what you get. If you've got a graphics card and want top-tier gaming performance without overspending, this is the chip to get. It's affordable, powerful, and perfect for any modern build. That's our full roundup. If you want to check out the best deals on these CPUs, the links are down in the description. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more, and let us know which CPU you're choosing for your next build.